Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football. Now, in 128 days' time, the ISSA Manning and the Costa Cup football competitions could get underway following a meeting with the principals who have set a proposed date for kickoff.
October 31 is the new date set for the Manning and the Costa Cup, once ISSA can get government approval to go ahead with the competitions. The proposed date is 2 months later than usual due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, ISSA, with the help of the government, will have to guarantee that all will be safe for students to participate. The Under-16 competitions, which are tentatively set to start on October 12, is likely to be used as a testing ground ahead of the senior boys. According to the ISSA president, Keith Wellington, changes to the competitions will be made in order for the plan to work.
We are trying to structure the competitions to minimize the amount of traveling that will take place. So we're also looking at venues and which venues will be used, because venues will have to meet a specific set of criteria. So we are looking at the possibility will exist that schools may not be allowed to play on their particular grounds if they are not able to meet the requirements for all the protocols that we are setting out.
And the format will also have to change if the competitions are to end in the third week of December as proposed.
So we have not finalized the final format, because that will largely be dependent on the number of teams that are participating. But we have suggested that date on the assumption that all teams participating. And if they do, what we will do is eliminate the return games for the first round, and the rest of the competition will carry on as per normal.
There is also concerns as to whether COVID-19 testing will be done among coaches.
We have discussed our plans with the National PTA, and the understanding that I have is that they are satisfied with the plans we have in place and are willing to support these plans going forward.
And there are no plans to isolate players throughout the competitions.
Remember, these are amateur players who would be in classes of probably sometimes 20 or 30 students. So if you are isolating them, it means that you'll have to isolate them from school.
Government protocol will determine when schools will be allowed to start their training programs. Meanwhile, the ISSA basketball and netball competitions are also set to get underway in October. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.